It's right behind us. Keep running!
Faster! Move faster! Ah!
Oh God, it's gonna hit! The towers are collapsing. Run! Faster! We have to get clear of the dust. Run! Get cover!
Help me! Please help me!
We're trapped down here. This way, hurry! Move! We have to get out of here! Hold steady! I need structural integrity report now! We have to clear that ridge!
I told you this needed to be handled discreetly. The leak stops now, or we lose everything.